Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from Metamask to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're holding USDT on Metamask and want to move it securely to Coinbase for easier management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have both Metamask and Coinbase Wallet apps installed and set up on your device. Open Metamask and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. If it's not showing up, ensure you're on the correct network, like Ethereum, since USDT is an ERC20 token. Next, switch over to your Coinbase wallet. Go to the Receive section and copy your wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the address for the right network to prevent any transfer issues. Now, head back to Metamask. Select the USDT token from your assets, click on Send, and paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, but be mindful of any network fees. Gas fees on Ethereum can add up, so check current rates first to avoid surprises. Before you hit Confirm, review the transaction details carefully. Once you're sure everything looks good, approve the transaction. You'll need to sign it with your Metamask wallet, and then sit tight while it processes. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After the transaction is complete, open your Coinbase wallet to confirm that the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Metamask to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Remember, crypto involves risks, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.